Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to Ronan Films. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to link your Airtable to AutoCode. Let's get into it. So guys, for this example that we're going to be doing here, make sure you're in your AutoCode folder. I'll be in the Discord bot example. Now, to link it, you're going to want to come down here into links, and you're going to want to add a new API link. We can add all these here, and I'll be showing you guys so many ways on how to add all these different ones when we get the chance to. But what we're going to go for is Airtable, right here. Now, when it comes up, it's going to show all of my amazing tables that I have had here. We need to link a new resource. But before we do that, we're going to need to come over to Airtable. I'll have the link to Airtable in the description. You're going to want to sign up. I am already signed in, so let's sign in to that. So guys, when you've signed into Airtable, you'll be taken to your spot of my workspaces. Now as you can see, I have tons, utterly tons of workspaces here for me to use. What we're going to do is we want to add a base. Really simple. Now, we won't need that. And notice here we've got these here, and we've got a table 1. Well, you can rename the table to whatever you want, but we won't need to be doing that. Coming down here, we've got name, notes, attachments, and status. You're going to customize the field type. Single line text is fine. Same with notes. Change that. Change it to single line text, and let's just call it last name. Hit save. And attachments, let's change that to here and do you know what, we will only have 2. But with Airtable, you can have as many fields as you like. We're only going to have 2. We'll delete all these records because we won't need those 3. So now that this is done, give your base a title. We'll call this Discord example. Like that. That is really simple. And there you've practically done your Airtable base. You won't need to do anything more. So we'll want to head over to AutoCode. Let's do that. So guys, when you're in AutoCode here, you can see how we need to click the link new resource. Click the link new resource. Come in here and it's going to want you to fill out your email. It's the email that you need to fill out is the same one you use to sign in to Airtable. So hit finish. And it's going to start linking you to Airtable. Once you're linked, it'll give you all of your Airtable accounts, like Airtable tables, that you have access to. And we're going to choose the Discord example one and hit finish link. Bang. We have now linked our Airtable. Hit finish linking down here. Now that that's done, we're going to come in here and we're going to create a message. Well, actually, we're going to create a command. Script or webhook. Change it to Discord. Command. Now down here, we'll call it Airtable. Really simple. Now delete that. Now, what we're going to do here is we're going to do await lib dot Airtable. We're going to do distinct. Now the base ID is going to be our Discord bot example. And the table, we'll choose table 1. That was our one where we have all that stuff in. We can change that around however much you like. come down here to key, and let's call key, let's see, I believe it was name is equal to, and here, let's put in here, we'll type name in there. And fields, the field is going to be name. Hit finish config. Now let's just have a quick look over at our Airtable to see if we got the spelling correct. Okay, so it is a capital N. In here, you're going to have to change that space with an underscore, else it's not going to really work. Jump back over to autocode. There we are. Now, first things first, what is this name? Well, we're going to come down here, we're going to do let name equal contents.params.event. We're going to do data options dot value. So there. And so guys, just before the await here, we're going to type let database equal, just like that. Really simple indeed. Now come down to your line 20 or whatever line finishes it, do a couple returns. We're going to do if curly brackets exclamation mark database dot distinct values, and we'll put these curly brackets. That's pretty much what we're going to do. So guys, we're going to send a message inside of these curly brackets. What are we going to send? We'll send a Discord message, but we're going to send it as an emphanural. I believe that's how it's spelled. So we're going to do await lib dot discord. We're going to do response slash emphanural create, and the token we're going to do contents.params.event token. Really simple. Now the contents, let's type, hey, this name is already in the database. Like that. Now that is really simple, and we'll just hit finish config like that, and it is like finished. Now we'll come out of here and we're going to type else. So what this basically means is if the name matches the name in here, so if name matches the name that's in the database, we will get this message, hey, this name is already in the database. Now in the else, what are we going to put in the else? Well, the else is going to be we have added it. So let's copy this, come down here and we'll paste it in here, but instead of hey, this name, we'll go beep boop. Let's add a robot emoji there as well, shall we? Beep boop. This name has been added to the database. Like that. Really simple. Now, if you want to be fancy or whatever, you could do up here, you could do the name, then your dollar sign in your two curly brackets and type name is already in the database. And to kind of make it stand out, you could do backslash and a backtick, backslash and backtick. And what that does is that sends this bit here in a code block. You know what? How about we do this here? The name backslash dollar sign curly brackets name outside backslash backtick. The name has already been added to the database. So let's say here I put beep boop, the name Ronan Films has already been added to the database. Well, it's already been in there. Or it could go down here, the name Ronan Films has been added to the database. But how are we going to get it to add to the database? Well, that's really simple. Just come in here front, we'll just come up here and we're going to type await lib dot airtable. We're going to do insert. Now the base ID, it should automatically update. If not, you will have access to all of your bases there. Now the table, we'll choose table 1. And the fields, well, we want the name, and the value is going to be name, like that. Now let's add another one, because over in our Airtable we have another field, which is last name. We could come here and we'll type last underscore name. And here we'll just do $, curly brackets, we'll type name2, because it's easier. And that's about all you need to do. But we also need to define name2. So just come up here. We'll paste that down. So guys, once you've pasted that in, remember to change this 0 value here to value 1, or else it's going to be getting the same data options as name. So yeah. Also here, let's just change this here as well. And we'll do last underscore name is name2. So it's getting the exact same 2. You get what I mean? I hope you do. Awesome. So now that that's done, we got to head over to our command creator to create it. Let's do that. So guys, over here in our command builder, let's go down and hit add new command. And up here we're going to type airtable, because that's what we had in our command before. If you don't remember, it's okay, you can go back and check it. We're going to do add your name to the database. I cannot spell. And now we'll hit down here into options, and we'll have name, and we'll call this name. We'll actually call this first name, and we'll go the first name you want to add to the database. And we can then hit add a new one, all really simple down here. We'll call this last name. We'll go the last name you wish to add to Airtable to the database, like that. Hit save all. Make sure you save your code as well in the Discord, in AutoCode. So let's head over to Discord and give it a test out. So guys, over here in the Discord server, Ronan Films YT, free Discord server, you guys should definitely join it. So let's give it a test out. So /Airtable. And look, we got first name. And let's type Ronan. And last name, we'll type Films, like that. And hit enter. And it should send us... Oh no, looks like we've got a bit of a mix-up here. It says, hey, the name Ronan is already in the database. It's not. So let's jump back over to our code. And here, we need to add another exclamation mark. Also, while we're at it, let's just copy the name to and put that in with our name so we get the full name in it. Okay, sounds really simple. Make sure you hit save and jump back over to your Discord server. So guys, in Discord, run your command and make sure you hit send, and it will give it beep boop. The name Ronan Films has been added to the database. Amazing. Jump over to Airtable, and look, it has been added. Now if we jump back here, we can try to add it again. So, Ronan Films. Look at this. Now, got to hit send. It's going to send. The name Ronan Films is already in the database. Look at that. So simple and easy. Now you guys know how to add something to a database. So guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. I do these videos for free to help you guys learn more about code, and so you guys can have fun and be creative. Creating Discord bots is not hard at all. It's all very easy and fun. So, that will be all for today. Make sure you go check out my website, ronanfilms.com. Link will be in the description. Have a great day.